In the heart of a bustling market, a tiny gray kitten named Whiskers spots a feast guarded by a lazy cat. With a playful glint in her eye, she plots her daring heist. With her heart racing, Whiskers inches closer, weaving between legs and market stalls. The sight of the fish is irresistible, and her clever mind races with possibilities. With a heart-stopping clatter, Whiskers accidentally tips over a bucket, sending fish soaring like confetti. Chubbs awakens in confusion, his lazy demeanor shattered by the unexpected chaos. In a moment of pure joy, Whiskers nudges Chubbs with a fish, and he bursts into laughter. Their friendship blossoms in the vibrant market, celebrating the chaos that brought them together. As the laughter fades, Whiskers, feeling generous, offers a fish to Chubbs. The lazy cat, surprised, accepts her gift, and a bond begins to form. With gleeful laughter, Whiskers watches the chaos unfold as Chubbs loses his footing. The market erupts in laughter, and for a moment, the world is pure joy.